Hello guys, welcome to Rock's Tutorial Hub, a hub of tutorials where you find different tutorials about different softwares. Yes, so today I will be doing a video on how to draw a basic floor plan in Archicad 25. So this is a video for beginners in Archicad, those who want to learn how to draw a basic floor plan in Archicad. So yes, this video is for you. So subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I post the next video. I am going to do a series of videos on how to draw a floor plan in Archicad 25. I will do a video from how to draw walls, putting windows, putting doors, putting furniture, roofing, and how to do 3D and how to do the floor plans and working drawings, the elevation, the sections on Archicad 25. Yes, so guys, please stay tuned and follow these videos. So hit the notification bell so every time I drop a new video you get notified that I have posted a new video. Okay, so subscribe guys and let's get into the video. Alright, let's open our Archicad 25. So this is our Archicad 25. We open it. So now we have opened our Archicad 25. So we go on skip and we want to start a new project, so we go on new. So let's just minimize that. So let's go on new. So we start a new project using Archicad 25 template. And we wait for it to load. We click on cancel. Okay, so now we're inside Archicad. We have opened our Archicad. Alright, so we will start by doing the walls. Okay, so here on the left side of your screen there is that arrow for selection and a marquee for selection. There is this tool palette there. First we have the design tool at the top there, and the viewpoint tool and the documents tool. So on the design tool, this is where you find most of the 3D tools, but they work as well in doing 2Ds. First we have the wall tool there. So you select the wall tools, and on top here on this ribbon, this is where we have the settings for the wall we are going to draw. Okay, so first here where there is layer, this is where we have the layer in which this wall we are going to draw falls under. So you can click there and you can see these different layers. So this wall is under the bearing, so we leave it like that. Okay, so next we have the geometry method there. That is the method of drawing, how we are going to be drawing the wall. So first, okay, if you click, you see there is that one wall. So that wall, if you click there and you just draw there, you'll see that you just draw a single wall. It's a single wall there. You just click there and that is a single wall, just one wall, freestanding wall. Okay, so if you click and you see here we have a chain wall. What is a chain wall? A chain wall, these are connected walls. So if we click there, we can draw connected walls. You see, you click there, so you can draw connected walls, and these walls become a group. If you select here, you see that these walls are now a group. They are grouped walls, so it's a group of walls, that one. Yes. Okay, so what do we have next? Next we have a curved wall. That too, we used to draw curved walls and circular walls. So if you select there, you can actually draw your arc wall. You can draw your circular wall like that. So that is the tool we use for those. And we have a trapezoid and a polygonal wall. Yes, and we will stop there for now. And next we have the reference line location. The reference line location, this is where the reference line for the wall is. So the wall we are going to draw, there is a reference line. You see that line, that blue line there, that blue line, that is the reference line. So we are choosing where that reference line is. So you can choose whether you want it to be on the outside surface, on the inside surface, or at the center of the wall. So you can choose there. Here we have the structure of the wall which you are going to draw. Yes, so if you click there, you can see that we have this. which is just a monolithic wall, just a basic wall, the same material, that one, yes. And next we have a composite wall with different layers. Maybe there are layers of different material. Maybe it's brick at the center, maybe it's insulation on the sides, and so forth. So that is a composite wall. And then on the last one we have a complex profile wall. This is a wall where you have to draw a complex profile there first, then you have your complicated wall there. But today we are going to use this first one, the monolithic wall. Let's just select that, and here this is the material of that wall. And as you can see, that material is generic structural, but we want it to be brick or masonry, so let's have it as brick structural there, yes. And if you go next, we have floor plan and sections. So this is where we have the settings of how we want that wall to be displayed on the section, yes. How we want the cut surfaces of that wall to be displayed, how you want the outlines, yes. So you can have here, we want the cut lines to be solid, so you can change there. The color, the pen, the overrides, whether you want it to have a background, maybe you want it to be red, maybe you want it to be red, you can change there like that. So here maybe you can have none, but here let's just have it back to where it was, and let's go to override there. Maybe we want to have it to have both a background and we change here. Maybe we want that background to be red and that foreground we want it to be the foreground, we want the foreground to be black and we want the background to be red, like that. So we can have it like that, yes. So on the outlines we just want that solid line and like that, okay, and it's fine. Let's keep it that way. Okay, so next we have linked stories. So this is where that wall is starting and where it's ending, yes. So this wall here will be linked from ground floor up to first floor, and that is 3000 millimeters, which is 3 meters, yes. That's the linking for that wall, yes. Okay, so next we have the height. That is the height of that wall. So if you want to change that height, you can actually unlink here. You can unlink, so you can now you can edit that height of that wall, yes. So here this is where the wall is starting above the ground floor. If you want this wall to start at 500 above the ground floor, so you can just type in 500 there and your wall will start at 500, but for now let's have it at 0. Okay, so the wall thickness, this is the thickness of the wall. We want that one to be on 230, so let's have it at 230 there. This is the for the exterior walls, we have it at 230. And the slant angle, this is the angle of slant for our wall. So if you want to have a slanted wall, we can go there on slant wall, then you type in the angle of slant there, the slant angle there. Maybe you want it to be 45, you want to be 60, you want to be 50 as it is, so you can just type in there. Okay, if you want that, so you can have your wall is slanted that side and this side, but for now I want it to be just that straight wall. And here we have the building materials. What materials do we want for our walls? So we have the exterior, the surface edge, and we have the interior. Okay, for the exterior, let's have this wall have a brick. Let's go for brick. So let's have brick with common bond. And for the edges, let's have our edges have that same brick with common bond, which is brick common bond. Okay, and the interior, let's have our interior have let's have a paint, a white paint for our interior, that gloss white. Okay, so now we can get to draw our simple house plan. So for me, I am going to draw something from my head for today. I'm going to draw something from my head, but you can use either, if you have anything you want to draw, you can use your own design, or your house. You can practice drawing your house. Yeah, but for now I'm just going to draw something from my head. Okay, so let's start by drawing our exterior walls. We are going to use that chain tool and all the other settings which we put there. Okay, so now let's start drawing. So just click where you want to start your wall, and you drag and you type in the distance there. So let's have that at 11,000. Let's have it at 11,000. Yes, and we drag there, and let's have that at 8,000. Okay, and okay, let's just hit backspace. I want that to be at 4,000. Yes, let's have that at 4,000, and let's have another 4,000 as well. And this side, let's have, okay, let's have just 10,000. Let's just have 10,000, and now we can connect it. We can connect this to that. Let's have it like that. Okay, so as you can see, these are the settings which we chose be displayed on floor plan. Okay, so you can change that. Let's say we can go here, and we have none there, so we can have our walls like that. So for now, let's keep them like this. Okay, so now we have drawn our outer walls or our exterior walls. Now we want to draw the interior walls. Yes, so our outer walls are 230 and the interior walls are going to be 115 for this project. So let's just go to wall thickness and type in 115 there, and okay, and we are going to draw this wall here, which is going to join there like that. Okay, so as you can see here, these walls, this wall is still with those settings, those first settings. So you can just go there and click none. The next wall we are going to draw here will have those previous settings. Now as you can see, let's draw a wall here and see. So other walls which are going to draw will be like this. So now we want them to be like this one. So let's just delete that wall, and let's go to this that pickup parameter thing. We click on it and we just suck the parameters from that. Yes, and now if we are going to draw, and now let's look for the center for this wall. As you can see, if you just put your mouse on top of that wall, it gives you that tick where the center is. So you can just start drawing your wall from there and up to this. So as you can see now, this wall which we draw is the parameters for that wall. You see? Yes. So here, as you can see here, these walls are not joined. So what we do, if we want to join them, you can select this and select this wall and hit that intersect button. As you can see here, it's saying it cannot intersect elements due to one of the following. The elements, okay, that is because these walls, these outer walls, we draw them using a chain wall, and a chain wall produces a group. So these walls are a group. They are a group of walls. So first we have to go on this icon here, which is on the quick access. We have that which suspend groups. So we click on suspend groups. So now these groups are suspended. All the groups in the project will be suspended. So if you select that one, you see you are now selecting one wall. It's no longer a group. Okay, so you have selected that. You select this one as well. Now you hit intersect and they perfectly intersect. And if you want to turn back to your groups, you can just untick there on the suspend groups and you select there. As you can see now, everything is selected. It's now a group again. Okay, so now we are going to finish drawing our interior walls. So what I want us to have here is I want us to have a kitchen here, have a dining and a lounge space and a little veranda, and we are going to have 3 bedrooms this side, and we are going to have an office space there. So we are going to have a bedroom here, so let's have that. Okay, so let's draw a wall there, and let's draw another one here, and let's have another wall here as well. Okay, so here this is a bedroom, and here we'll have toilets, a bathroom and a toilet, and here we're going to have another bedroom and another bedroom. So it's going to be a 3-bedroom house, like that. Okay, so that means here we are going to have a passage. We're going to have a small passage here. So let's make sure that passage is 1000. Let's make sure that passage is 1000. So if we do that, and 1000, so now we have it as 1000. If we can measure there, we find our 1000. So our passage is 1000. So this one is not intersecting, so we can click it like that. So now it's intersecting with the other wall, and that side as well. You want to have it intersect with that wall like that. Okay, so now we have drawn our walls, the exterior walls and the interior walls for our house. So we are going to stop here for this part of the video. We'll look at how to place doors and windows in the next part of the video. Okay, so guys, don't forget to comment where you didn't understand, or where you have a question or any addition or any subtraction. Just write your comment in the comment section down, and don't forget to like and to subscribe to the channel. So that you don't miss videos, the next chapter of the video, so that you don't miss it. And also leave a comment guys. Don't forget to leave a comment and to hit the notification bell so that you get notified the next time I post another video. Okay guys, so until then, farewell, see you.